Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate ManyChat with Calendly. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send personalized scheduling links to your contacts directly through your chatbot, making the booking process seamless and efficient. To get started, open your browser and navigate to make.com. This is the platform we'll use to connect ManyChat and Calendly together. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation panel. Click on Scenarios. This section is where you'll build and manage all your automation workflows. Now give it a moment to load completely. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything comes up on your screen. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll see an option to create a new workflow. Click on Open Scenario Builder. This is the main workspace where you'll piece together the different parts of your integration. Again, wait for the scenario builder to load. You'll know it's ready when you see a clean workspace with a plus icon in the center. This icon is your starting point for adding modules to your automation. Go ahead and click the plus icon to begin. A search bar will appear, allowing you to find the apps you want to connect. Type ManyChat into the search bar and click on it when it appears in the results. ManyChat will now be added as your first module in this automation sequence. From the options that appear, click on Watch Incoming Data. This action tells Make to listen for any new information coming from ManyChat, such as when someone interacts with your chatbot. It's the trigger that starts the entire automation process. Next, click the plus icon again to add another module. This time, search for Calendly and click on it when it shows up. Calendly is the scheduling tool that will generate booking links for your contacts. From the Calendly options, click on Create a Single-Use Scheduling Link. This feature is particularly helpful because it generates unique one-time use links for each person, making your scheduling process more personalized and secure. Now, go back and click on the ManyChat module you added earlier. You'll see an option that says Create a Webhook. Click on it. A webhook is essentially a bridge that allows ManyChat to send data to Make whenever someone interacts with your bot. Wait for the webhook setup screen to load. Once it does, you'll need to establish a connection between Make and ManyChat. Click on Create a Connection. You'll be prompted to input your access token. You can find this token in your ManyChat account settings under API. Copy it, paste it into the field, and click Save. Now that ManyChat is connected, click on the Calendly module. Here you'll need to select an event type from your Calendly account. This could be a consultation, a meeting, or any other event you've set up. Choose the appropriate event type from the drop-down menu and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ManyChat with Calendly. Now, whenever someone interacts with your chatbot in the way you've configured, they'll automatically receive a personalized Calendly link, making it easier than ever to schedule appointments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.